Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Keychron V6 Max, a full-size wireless custom mechanical keyboard that's making waves in the community. Keychron has built a solid reputation for delivering quality and customization, and the V6 Max looks to continue that trend. Right out of the box, the V6 Max impresses with its robust build quality. The full-size layout provides all the keys you could need, including a numpad, which is great for those who work with numbers frequently. The keyboard offers versatile connectivity with 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and a wired mode, ensuring compatibility with various devices and setups. Switching between devices is seamless, making it a great choice for multi-device users. One of the standout features of the V6 Max is its gasket mount design. This, combined with the sound-absorbing foam, creates a really pleasant typing experience. The keys feel cushioned and the sound is dampened, resulting in a satisfying thok without being too loud or distracting. It's clear Keychron has put a lot of thought into the acoustics of this board. The V6 Max comes equipped with Keychron Jupiter Banana switches, which offer a tactile bump that's both responsive and comfortable. These switches are hot swappable, meaning you can easily replace them with your preferred switches without any soldering. This is a huge plus for those who like to experiment with different switch types to find their perfect feel. Keychron has also included double-shot PBT keycaps, which are known for their durability and resistance to shine. The keycaps have a nice texture, and the legends are crisp and clear. The keyboard also includes keycaps specifically for both Windows and Mac OS, catering to a wide range of users. Customization is where the V6 Max truly shines. It's QMK via programmable, allowing you to remap keys, create macros, and customize the RGB backlighting to your heart's content. The software is user-friendly, making it easy to tweak the keyboard settings to match your specific needs and preferences. The RGB backlighting is vibrant and even, adding a touch of flair to your setup. The Keychron V6 Max is more than just a keyboard. It's a tool that can be tailored to your exact specifications. Whether you're a gamer, a programmer, or just someone who spends a lot of time typing, the V6 Max offers a blend of performance, comfort, and customization that's hard to beat. It's a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to elevate their typing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.